What does it take to transform one of the world's most iconic football stadiums into a state-of-the-art sports arena? As Barcelona's $1.5 billion stadium overhaul unfolds, these questions are at the heart of a project that's as ambitious as it is monumental. But what exactly is changing at Camp Nou? And why should fans be excited about this transformation? Stick around to find out. But before we get into it, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're done with that, then let's get started. Stadium renovations have reached new heights with the Santiago Bernabéu, home to the 14-time European champions, Real Madrid. Already celebrated worldwide, this Madrid stadium has now become the most advanced soccer venue after a 5-year transformation. This massive upgrade, costing around €1 billion, set the benchmark for state-of-the-art arenas, using more steel than 120 double-decker jets. Fans are in awe of its futuristic design and high-end features, including a VIP skybox and even a hotel within the stadium. Here's how the Santiago Bernabéu was transformed into the world's most cutting-edge sports stadium. Situated in the heart of Madrid, this iconic stadium has witnessed countless El Clásico matches between Real Madrid and FC Barcelona, as well as other historic football moments. The decision to undertake such an expensive renovation was driven by the club's desire to increase revenue. Despite being a major stadium in a European capital, the venue is only active for about 35 to 40 matches per year. The club aimed to transform the stadium into a more lucrative tourist destination, hosting concerts, massive events, and even other sports like basketball or NFL games, with the potential to be a venue for the 2030 World Cup. The redesign bid was won by Spanish studios L35 and Ribas, with support from German studio GMP Architekten, who brought experience from their work on the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. The stadium's pitch underwent a significant upgrade with the installation of a retractable mechanism housed in 6 underground levels. This was the most challenging part of the renovation, since storing a pitch nearly the size of 2 football fields in a congested inner-city area is no small feat. Due to the limited space, the architects ingeniously divided the pitch into 6 sections that could retract without disrupting the underground rail system. Real Madrid even showcased this remarkable pitch retraction technology on their YouTube channel, and it's truly impressive. However, simply storing the pitch underground wouldn't be enough to keep it in prime condition for matches. To ensure that the grass remains in top shape regardless of weather or external conditions, the team implemented a high-tech underground irrigation system and ultraviolet lighting. These systems maintain the grass's quality to the highest standards at all times, which is a technique also employed in the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium redesign. Next, the stadium's overall structure was modified to resemble something just like a sci-fi spacecraft. To achieve this, the construction team disassembled the roof and utilized ancient Roman techniques to raise it to a new height without disrupting training sessions or matches during the football season. The complexity of this task required the work to be done in stages, but the effort was worthwhile. The new roof provided additional space for new seating on the east side, increasing the stadium's capacity from 81,000 to 85,000. To accomplish this, 800-ton cranes were employed to lift the inner ring using hydraulic jacks and ski lifts. 2 massive steel trusses were constructed from one end of the stadium to the other to enhance stability, and 2 new towers were built on the west side to improve audience access and provide more evacuation points in case of emergency. Given the array of new luxurious features, stronger foundations were essential, requiring over 33,000 tons of steel. The stadium's facade now encircles the structure 360 degrees, allowing images to be projected via a new video screen. The roof is fully retractable, protecting games and other activities from adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, wind, and extreme heat. Innovative curved slats were also added to the new roof, permitting natural sunlight to filter through and illuminate the state-of-the-art terrace areas. This feature, along with the introduction of the new pitch, is designed to revolutionize the audience experience by combining high-tech functionality with aesthetic design. But the enhancements don't stop there. The renovation introduced numerous luxurious amenities, including VIP boxes with panoramic views, a 700 square meter sky bar, and a nightclub. Shops for brands like Adidas, Nike, and Louis Vuitton as well as leisure facilities like spas and salons, were added. A 5-story underground car park now provides convenient parking for visitors. There are also plans to create fan zones, shops, bars, restaurants, and possibly hotels surrounding the stadium, inspired by Manchester's Etihad Stadium. VIP fans now enjoy exclusive access to luxury boxes with panoramic views of the pitch, a 700 square meter sky bar, and a nightclub that transforms its atmosphere depending on the day. The goal is to cater to a wide range of fan preferences and enable the stadium to host private events in these new areas. In addition to these amenities, shops featuring brands like Adidas, Nike, and even luxury labels such as Louis Vuitton will be added along the east and west sides. Leisure facilities, including salons and spas, will be incorporated, addressing the need for more green areas that were lacking in the stadium's previous redesign. The convenience factor will also be enhanced with the addition of a 5-story underground parking garage, eliminating the hassle of finding nearby parking, as was previously necessary. But there's even more in the works. Inspired by Manchester's Etihad Stadium, Real Madrid's president is considering adding more facilities outside the stadium to create immersive fan environments even before they enter the grounds. Proposed additions include fan zones, shops, bars, restaurants, and potentially hotels surrounding the stadium. While these plans are not yet finalized, the most exciting prospect is the opening of a hotel within the stadium itself, with some rooms offering views of the pitch, a world-first concept that has fans eagerly anticipating its debut. The renovation was not without its challenges. Initially expected to take 3.5 years, the COVID-19 pandemic, supply chain disruptions, and other delays extended the project to 2023. These delays even forced Real Madrid to play at an alternative stadium for part of the 2020 to 2021 season. Public reception of the redesign has been mixed, with some comparing the new look to a printer. Despite the controversy, the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium stands as a symbol of innovation and excellence in football architecture, poised to elevate sports experiences to new heights where luxury, technology, and history converge. So, what are your thoughts about the project? Let us know in the comments below. If you like today's content, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.